Hello, in this video we're going to change gearbox oil on Opel Astra H 1.7 CDTI with a 5-speed manual gearbox. The drain plug and the level plug of the gearbox are on the bottom of the gearbox, but the fuel plug is on the top, so we need to remove the battery. Next we need to remove the 3 bolts on the battery housing and unclip the 2 models that are hanging on the battery housing. Now that we've removed the battery housing, we can see the fuel plug. This is where we're filling the transmission oil. We need Allen key size 8 to unscrew the fuel plug. Next we go underneath the car, and we're gonna locate now the drain plug as the drain plug here, and then we're gonna see the level plug on the side. And that's the level plug at the back of the gearbox. The drain plug and the level plug are both with Allen key size 8. After all the oil is drained, we put back the drain plug. Before we start filling with the new oil, we remove the lever plug. These are the specs for the transmission oil for this gearbox. 75W85 GL4 and capacity is 1.8 liters. We're using genuine Opel transmission oil. Now we remove the fuel plug and put a funnel in the hole to fill the oil. We fill about 1.8 liters of oil, and when it's full it will start leaking from the lever plug. I filled the transmission with 1.9 liters of oil and looked underneath the car and started dripping from the lever plug hole, and now I can tighten the fuel plug and go underneath and tighten the lever plug as well. And here it is, it's dripping from the lever hole. If it's pouring from that hole, it means it's too much. You need to leave it until it starts dripping, and that's the right level. Next we assemble the battery again and we're done. If this video was helpful to you, you can like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.